What a splendid evening it has been. And I have this very proud privilege to be interacting with the one and only Rosie Ahluwalia. So Rosie, first of all, heartiest congratulations on this very fantabulous show today. And as usual, you have truly lived up to the expectation of all the fashion lovers and all those, who came to witness this very spectacular show. So foremost of all, I would like to ask you that what was the inspiration behind this very splendid collection?
The basic is all about Northeast, and I'm very fond of Northeast people. They have a lot of talent, they have very clear vision. I really wanted to promote them, and I saw there were Northeast organizers, Northeast girls also, and my collection was all about flower. It's going to be a spring edit.
Floral collection?
Yes, so total all floral.
So, instantly what comes to mind is the moment you make a mention of Northeast. You see, because we talk about the concept of New India, so there is no second thought that the story of New India is incomplete without the actual integration of the northeastern states into the mainstream. And when we say the northeastern states, we are specifically referring to the 7 northeastern states and the mountain state of Sikkim. So I think what a noble idea, and I am sure that it must have been a very painstaking initiative today. So why don't you say a few words about Runway Fashion Management and Dreamway?
I would like to say thanks to Dreamway and of course Runway Management who got me connected. And also today's collection we talk about, it's all about wearable or sustainable, and also it's all about fashion, how one can carry it for herself. Thank you.
So what is the message that you would like to give to the budding fashion designers?
It's something which the discussion comes to me all the time. My message to all of you, your young designers, you should always follow your dreams. Give wings to your dreams, because that one thing can put you into your focus, into your main focus on your vision, what are you doing. So never give up, take risks in life, never be afraid, you will get success one day.
Excellent, very well articulated. So last 2 questions. So what is the latest on the concept of fashion business district, Rosie? And who better than you to answer this?
There's a lot of options on the fashion business. There are a lot of options, and people are coming up with fashion isn't only limited to outfits, it's also limited to any kind of cosmetic also, interiors also, jewelry also. So one should be very good, very clear what she or he wants to promote her or himself. That's very important.
Fair enough. So what do you think will take for India to become the next fashion destination of the world?
Khadi.
That's the in thing. That's what will clinch the battle for us.
Absolutely.
So Rosie, as usual, it has been an immense pleasure interacting with you, and we wish you all the very best in all your future endeavors. And of course, it seems that you're not really very hale and hearty today, but then your show was simply fantabulous, spectacular, and I will fall short of words to describe this. And so to your entire team, kudos, and keep smiling, keep shining, and keep conquering new heights, new frontiers.
Thank you
so much.
Thank you, Vipin.
Thank you.
For coming.
Thank you. Please take care.